Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to algo trade with FTX, or at least get connected to the exchange algorithmically so you can start your algo trading journey. It's actually fairly simple. I'm just going to go ahead and say import CCXT. Now if you don't have CCXT, you can just pip install CCXT, and essentially allows us to algo trade on all different exchanges here. So let's go ahead, and next we want to say FTX equals CCXT.FTX. Now you can see there's two options here. I'll run through them both in case you're in the US using the US exchange. Let's go ahead and start with the regular FTX. The first thing you want to do is kind of make the parentheses and brackets like that. And we want to go ahead and say API key equals, and then you simply just go get your API key from FTX. So that's going to be in your account settings somewhere, and you just get it and you save this in a very safe place. If you're not going to be sharing this with anybody, you can put it right here, just where I'm putting it right now. But for me, I share this on YouTube all the time, right? So I can't do that. So I'm going to show you a safer way to do this, and it's actually probably good if, for example, somebody got into your file system or your computer or whatever, or you're sharing this on GitHub or whatever. I go ahead and make a new file. So let's pretend below this is a new file. And I'm going to say API key equals this key right here. And remember, this is actually a new file below. Let's pretend. Because I have this file called don't share config, and I can't share it or else I'll get all of my crypto hacked. And the file is going to look like this, API key, and then we want to say secret like this, and we would just take this secret that we got from FTX right here, and we put it in right here. Now, instead of having, pretend this is the don't share config, don't share, this is the other file right here, I would just simply say import don't share config like that, and now I can use this don't share config to put right here and say .xp key, or whatever you name this variable. In this case I put API key, but in the actual configuration I call it XP key. And then you do the same thing for secret. So I would paste it in there, and then I would put XP secret. Now what you want to go ahead and do is you want to test to see if you're connected. Remember, this file is really this file over here, this don't share config.py. So I'm going to delete this now. And the thing you want to do next is you want to make sure you're connected. So what I like to do is I just like print, and then I say ftx.fetch balance. And if this prints something out, that means I'm successfully connected. So I'm actually, these keys are not for FTX. So CCXT is pretty good because you can change it over, and I'll just change the FEMIX and just pretend yours still says FTX or FTX US. And I click play, and it shows me my balance. That means I'm successfully connected. And there's actually one more thing I need to show you. If you are trying to connect to the US FTX, you have to put in this information here. You have to put host name, and this took me a long time to figure out actually. So, and then you put in ftx.x.us. So that's how you connect to the US one. You just simply change this to FTX US, and now you have your API key from FTX US, your secret from FTX US, and hostname FTX US. If you want the regular FTX, you just can mark this out, change this to FTX, and then you can see all the other exchanges you can connect to with CCXT as well. Pretty great package that I use all the time to make new algorithms every single day. I throw those algorithms inside of my bootcamp because everybody requested it. So you can see there's PDFs of different strategies. People share strategies here. I put all of my algorithms and step-by-step videos on exactly how to be a really great algo trader inside of this bootcamp that's below. And I probably won't have it up forever because, as you know, this is the most secretive industry in the world, and I'm just trying to share it for a little while. And yeah, the videos are step-by-step. So if you enjoyed this, please do tap the like button. And if you really want to excel and jump into some more advanced algorithms, you can see I put a bunch of different algos here. You get all the code instantly. We go over a ton of really awesome topics, pretty much everything I wish I would have known from the start. And I would highly recommend, even if you don't want to join, go ahead and watch this video that's on the page if you've ever lost a trade due to your emotions. So if that's you, go watch this video, check it out. It's just more content for you to learn. And if you do decide to join the Algo Trade camp, well, you also get access to me and everybody else inside of the Discord, which is pretty much a private mastermind only for members, full of algo traders, data scientists, developers, traders, and there's just so much knowledge there. So I look forward to seeing you inside the Discord and Algo Trade camp. There's a link for all that below, and I will catch you there.